Welcome to Investing in a Nutshell, the channel where we explain the world of investing so that you can learn and start your own journey as an investor. We will give you the answers to the questions you have and to the questions you did not know you needed to ask regarding investing. We will cover a wide range of topics, from investing in general, stocks, real estate, crypto, and more. We're going to cover some basic topics, so if you don't know anything about investing, you should really consider subscribing. We will also cover more complex and advanced subjects as time progresses and the simpler topics are covered. Our goal with this channel is to spread knowledge regarding investing so that anyone who is interested can start their own investment journeys. We believe that knowledge is the key enabler that will unlock your true potential. But why should you listen to us? We're two guys with a huge passion for investing. We have a combined experience of more than 20 years and have invested in a wide range of assets, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and cryptocurrency. We have made some mistakes along the way, but we have also done brilliant investments. We have learned the hard way, and we want you to have the opportunity to learn what we have learned so that you can start your journey as an investor. Stick around, subscribe to the channel, and learn about investing in a nutshell.